So one of the things that's critically important when you're trying cases, the evidence is what the jury's going to make their decision on, and it comes in different forms. We have physical evidence. It could be pictures of the property damage. It could be on a product's case, the actual product. Sometimes we'll use examples of instruments that are used for a surgery. One of the big things we have is witness testimony. And that's where the witnesses come in here and they're going to testify under oath to the jury about their relevant aspect. So it's an interesting concept because we rely on witness testimony tremendously, especially for our clients, and they have to come and you hope that the witness is going to do well, but our witnesses are just regular people. They're not professional witnesses. So we try and prepare them as best as we can, and it's nerve-wracking. One of the biggest fears people have behind paying taxes and death is public speaking. So we try and get them comfortable enough that they can talk in front of the jury and really explain what they've been through. And some people that we represent have had traumatic injuries, and it's a really emotional thing for them to try and share that with strangers. And one of the things I've pointed out many times before is when I've had experts against me, I say, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the list of the times that this expert has testified as an expert in the state of Florida. And I usually put up a map and I'll put pins in the different locations the witnesses testified. And when you're done, there's like 27 different colored pins all over the state. And I jokingly say, doctor, isn't it true you've actually testified and been in court more than Matlock? You get the point across. And it's important because these guys are professional experts. They know how to deflect questions. They know how to answer without answering. And it's really important that you bone down on the question and really make them answer what you want them to answer and not let them go astray. And I do it in a flippant manner sometimes. I'll ask a question, doctor, would you agree that there's a herniated disc on that MRI? And the doctor be like, no, and goes for 5 minutes answering, whatever he feels like answering. I'll say, that's nice, doctor. Would you mind just answering the question I asked you? And it was a yes-no question, so the jury and I and the judge and everyone can get out of here at a reasonable time. So you have to balance it between getting the information you need and also making sure that you keep them on a leash and don't let them go too far astray.